Hi guys, thank you for choosing natural ways to achieve truly luxurious hair and good health. Today we're diving into the Morrocco method, a holistic approach to hair care focusing on the timeless wisdom that connects our hair to the cycles of nature and our overall well-being. Let's get started. Think of your hair care routine as a wheel with many spokes, each representing an essential aspect of nurturing truly healthy hair. Let's explore each of these spokes together. First, let's talk about hair cutting. Cutting your hair frequently in small increments helps to prevent split ends and allow your hair to grow longer and stronger. For even better results, be sure to check out our exclusive lunar calendar on the Morrocco Method website. Another vital spoke in the wheel is using all-natural Morrocco Method hair care products and rotating them for the best results. This complete regimen is actually where the name Morrocco Method stems from, and it's a major part of the original natural hair restoration system. For increased hydration, hair elasticity, and scalp health, you can also use our Euro oil as an overnight mask or pre-shampoo treatment. This age-old process is incredibly effective for all hair types and encourages and supports new hair growth. Proper brushing using our pure bore bristle brush is crucial. We recommend you brush your hair up to 3 times per day for optimum distribution of sebum and to remove foreign chemicals and particles. For the best results, bend at the waist and brush from the roots at the nape of your neck through to the ends of your hair. Daily scalp massages are also a fantastic habit. Use a 100% pure rubber scalp massager in the shower after shampooing to thoroughly rinse out any remaining product and stimulate your roots. You can also use it on your entire body for a bit of light exfoliation and relaxation. Keep one handy in various places like your desk or car for those stressful moments. A nutritional diet and hydration are another important spoke. If you can, eating leafy greens and foods high in protein and omega-3 fats will also give your body the building materials it needs to grow strong, healthy hair. Exercise is essential for stimulating blood flow. Whether it's walking, yoga, tai chi, or a gym session, even 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Additionally, using a shower filter and taking preventative measures when swimming can protect your hair from damage. Routine clarification is also important as any chemicals or buildup can impede new growth. You can use our Zen Detox Mask for a deep treatment or a natural apple cider vinegar hair rinse for the occasional maintenance. Avoiding chemical products is also crucial, but we know it can also be difficult when it comes to styling products and hair coloring, which is why we offer safe and natural alternatives like Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel, 24/7 Dragon Pomade, and Henna Hair Dye.
Then get into breathing. Breathing is another spoke in the wheel, so critical. And I highly recommend Googling YouTube James Nestor, Nestor. He wrote the book entitled Breathe, and it's just brilliant.
A positive and hopeful attitude is the final spoke we'll discuss today. Although it's easier said than done, try not to stress out about any hair-related issues you may be facing and find peace with your journey. Focus on the present and take care of your daily habits, and your positivity can have a profound impact on your overall health and hair. Thank you for joining us on this journey to natural and pure hair care. Keep us updated on your progress, and remember, luxurious hair and great health go hand in hand. Wishing you the best on your natural hair care journey. Stay healthy and happy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.